Today, I'm going to show you a real cool secret, a secret that will help you anytime you present in any way, whether it's a podcast guest, whether you're speaking in front of a live audience, whether you're going live on Facebook like this, whether you're doing your own call, whatever it is, this secret will do amazing things for you. So it's a secret to better presentations. And here's what it is. The last thing you think of before you go on stage, whether that's a virtual stage or a real stage or an online, whatever it is, the last thing you think of is three things. Number one, what you're going to say at the end of your speech. What's your call to action? How do you say goodbye? Whatever it is. The last thing you think of before you walk on is, first, what's the thing you're going to say to start it? Second, and notice this is even closer before you walk on, which is the thing you're going to say to start your speech. And the third thing is you think these three words, smile and have fun. Now, let's talk about why this is so important. Here's what happens so often with so many of us. We walk onto stage, we come on live or whatever it is, and all of a sudden you see an audience, maybe you just see lights in your face, you hear people clapping, whatever it is, and all of a sudden this panic thing comes throughout you. And at that moment, your brain switches off and you have no idea what to do or say. All right? That's the reason why we have this. The second thing you think is what you're going to say to start your speech. So the thing you thought 10 seconds before is, what are the 5 words I'm going to say to start my speech? And then you simply say those 5 words. Here's what happens when you do that. You're now on a roll. You've overcome your fear. You've moved forward and your body is going, okay, I guess I'll let the mind rule instead of the body rule here. And then you just keep on going and roll that river right on towards the ocean. It is so helpful to do this. Literally, I've been practicing this since I was 16 years old. I've spent most of my life on stage in one way or another, and thinking those 2 thoughts have helped tremendously. So just a little trick. Hopefully it'll help you. What tricks do you use to keep yourself from letting nerves overcome your presentation? Let me know what you think of this idea and what you do to overcome those nerves in the comments. This is Don Crowther saying, just go do this stuff.